The first thing I like to do is to come over here, type in Control Panel, go over to System and Security, go to System. We're going to go to Advanced System Settings, and we're going to go to where it says Performance, Visual Effects, Process Scheduling, Memory Usage, and Virtual Memory. We're going to click on it. Then we're going to put Adjust for Best Performance, and this is going to affect performance and make your computer performance perform way better. The next thing I like to do is to clean up this taskbar. We're going to go over here and get rid of the Cortana button. We're going to get rid of the taskbar button. Then we're going to go over to taskbar settings, and you want to set all your taskbar settings to this. Next, we're going to close this out. One thing I like to do is I like to get all of these and move them onto my taskbar. Then we can delete these. They go into the trash bin. We clear it and get rid of them. I usually like my recycling bin to be on the right side, so we can put it over here. We can also make it smaller by pressing the control key and using your mouse scroll wheel to go up and down depending on the size you'd like. Make that a little bit more smaller. That's perfect. A cool trick that I learned from How to Creative is to get rid of the recycling bin name. You go over here, press rename, Control V, and you left a special character in his link in the description, and as you can see, that looks super clean. Getting back to the taskbar, we're going to go over here, turn off news and interests. We're going to go over to search, and we're going to press hidden. So now our search bar is going to be hidden. So the next thing we're going to do is open up our little tray, and we're going to add in these applications to clean up the desktop. I usually like to just leave my battery showing below so I can know how much battery health I have since I have a laptop. But if you're on desktop, you wouldn't have this problem. You could just stack everything into it and it would be neatly packed into your container. If we go to notification settings, I'm going to turn my notifications personally off. And I'm just going to turn off all of these. Just make sure to be up to speed with your notifications. I'm always updating my computer, and I know what notifications usually come in and coming out. So just keep that in mind. I'm going to go over and clean up your start. I usually like my start to look like more clean than this. So I would unpin that. I wouldn't want that on my start. I don't need this on my start. Don't need Microsoft Edge. Don't use it. I can leave the Microsoft Store, but not the news. Photos could stay, movies and TVs can stay. I don't really use Spotify, so I can get rid of that. And just go in here and clean out the apps you don't need. By the way, if you want it to look like this, you can go over the taskbar settings, go to start, and use these current preset settings that I've selected below. Now, the last thing we're going to do is get the taskbar centered so it can look like a Mac PC, or just to look like the new Windows 11 update. Okay, so the first thing you're going to do is go back down to your taskbar. You're going to go to toolbars, and you're going to go to links. You're going to grab this link on this side and pull it all the way until you squish your links back over here. Once you have done that, you're going to pull your links back and we're going to center them. We're going to center it to the middle of your screen. You're going to go to take off show text and you're going to go to show title. So now it's not going to show anything. So now we're going to go over to lock taskbar. And when you lock the taskbar, you see everything is all cleaned up. And that's usually what I do every time I start up my PC to get it looking clean, nice, and everything centered. So if you have any questions, please drop them below, and thank you so much for watching. Please make sure to drop a like, comment, and remember, you're always welcome to subscribe to my channel. This was RunielParkerStudios Productions, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.